Stop giving advice. Yes, you heard that right. Advice is cheap, it sounds helpful, it feels intelligent, but most of the time, it's useless. Why? Because advice solves a moment. Thinking patterns solve a lifetime. When you give someone advice, you are giving them your conclusion. But when you give them a thinking pattern, you give them a process. And process is power. Let's break this down. Advice sounds like this. Quit that job. Start a business. Move on. Invest here. Trust your gut. But those are decisions based on your experiences, your biases, your risk tolerance, your values. When they follow your advice, two things can happen. It works and they become dependent on you. It fails and they blame you. Either way, they don't grow. Now compare that to giving a thinking framework. Instead of saying quit your job, ask, what are you optimizing for stability or growth? What is the worst case scenario? What skills are you gaining if you stay? What do you lose if you leave? What does this decision look like in 5 years? Now you're not giving answers. You're teaching them how to analyze uncertainty. That's different. Advice creates followers. Thinking patterns create independent minds. High-level thinkers don't collect advice. They collect mental models. They ask, what are the incentives? What are the trade-offs? What assumptions am I making? What evidence supports this belief? Am I reacting emotionally or strategically? When you train someone to think like this, they don't need you next time. And that's real help, because advice is situational. Thinking is transferable. If you truly care about someone, don't tell them what to do. Help them see variables. Help them question assumptions. Help them evaluate risk. Help them understand consequences. Teach them how to think, not what to think. There's a big difference. Advice is control disguised as help. Thinking frameworks are empowerment disguised as conversation. So next time someone asks you, what should I do? Pause. Don't give them your answer. Give them better questions. Because once someone learns how to think clearly, they won't need advice again. And that's freedom.